Guys, this is my servicing after 30,000 kilometers. What I'm doing here right now is an oil change. The oil has been changed and I am using this 3mm oil flush right now. After this I'll be using for the complete setup. Right now I made it all parts clear. I'll be changing my clutch plate as well for this one over here. और क्लच प्लेट चेंज होगी इसकी, ऑयल चेंज करा रहा हूँ मैं अभी और भी बाकी है. Things which I'm going to change over here in my bike would be first the oil, the basics. So today in my things which I have, it's a 3M flush over here. You can see 3M flush is used for Boeing engine oil changes. First you need to clean the crankshaft of your engine. So your old oil and all the deposits which we have in earlier will get cleaned away by 3M, and I'll be using it for my bike as well. So right now I'll be using my 3M flush, and my mobile will be there, and air filter box and service kit along with the spark plug. So what happens in 3000 km? Recently I have done my front disc brake change over here. The pads have been changed, the rear pads have been changed as well. I'll show you. This is the real disc pad over here. You can check over here right now, which I have changed. Now Akash will be doing my servicing for this bike. As you know, you can visit PL Automobiles. He works over here for a long time. Recently this place has been shifted from Bajaj Godam to Nirman, this area. I will be providing a description where you can go ahead and do the servicing for your bike, for all the KTM. It can be 200, 250, 390 or 390 as well. RC390 to 390 for all. So I'll be talking to my Akash. Hello Akash. This is Akash and he'll be addressing our service center. Currently he's working here. Any problems which you face in your bike, you can come and visit in this area. So what he's doing right now is cleaning the crankshaft. After I did flush with the engine oil with the 3M box over here. Now he's opening the crankshaft to check the clutch over here. So what major things I'm doing here is a slippery clutch which I'm going to get changed, and right now is doing. So hope you like the video. I'll be making a time-lapse video for this whole thing, and do let me know if you have any problems faced with your bike, and as well as